الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء. أما بعد، فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد: بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. Right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, I hope everyone is well and everyone can hear me loud and clearly. Yes, everyone?
Walaikum assalam, Maulana. Yes, we can hear you clearly. My birds are very loud. That's why I keep myself mute.
Okay, now where have we reached? I think we were on lesson number 5, and I think we completed lesson number 5, and we're going to start lesson number 6 today. Is that correct?
Okay, last time we did...
we were doing lesson number 3.
Lesson number 3.
I think so.
We did the points to remember on lesson number 3, and then we started talking about Bibi Sayyida.
Okay.
And it was just amazing. I heard this morning again. Oh my God, I can hear this every day, that lecture.
So we did just the points to remember, not the
Yes,
lesson
we
itself.
did. Yes, we
did read through the lesson as well once, but we, I think, probably want to do it again one more time if somebody wants to revise it.
Yep. So, okay, now this lesson itself, let me give you a summary of the lesson. Now, this lesson itself, it's about 2 things. One is about the af'alu tafdhil. Af'alu tafdhil, it's a superlative degree noun. It's made on the pattern of af'alu, on that pattern, and sometimes it comes as a comparative, that you can say Muhammad is taller than Khalid. Muhammad is to Muhammad atwalu min Khalid. So this is comparative between 2 individuals. Then we also, and then let me go for the examples, make life easier for everyone and remind everyone. Now this atwalu is a masculine singular form, and it will come after the noun which has been described or been spoken about, which is Hamid, and min will follow it. And it comes with the following nouns. It can come with a masculine, even atwala is masculine, correct? So it follows a masculine noun, min bilalin, a feminine noun after min, singular or plural. So here we have bilalun atwalu min aminata, and then we have aminatu atwalu min bilalin. Now we're talking amina, but we still use the af'alu, the masculine form, even with amina itself, min bilalin. And then we have the plural, al abna'u atwalu. So we don't change atwalu, it remains singular form itself in the masculine, even with the plurals as well. So al abna'u atwalu min al banati. And then we also have al banatu atwalu min al abna'i. Is this clear so far? Yes?
Yes.
And then we have the next way of using af'alu tafdhil, the superlative, the comparative degree, with pronouns. So at the moment, after min, it's amina, min bilalin, min al banati, and min al abna'i. Now over here now, we instead have possessive pronouns. So anta ahsanu minni. So rather than min amina, it's a ya, which is of me, better than me. Ana aqsaru minka. I am shorter than you. Hum akbaru minna sinna. They are older than me in age. So this is comparative. So you have 2 ways, either a pronoun or either nouns which come after min. That's the first part. The second part is the superlative degree. Now, those who participated yesterday's lesson in book 4, we did this in book 4, lesson 1, that we said Ibrahimu ahsanu talibin fil madrasati. Now here, it's in the superlative degree that Ibrahim is the best student in the school. So there's no comparison between him. He's the best, a group of individuals now. So when it's comparing with a group of individuals, then we use a superlative that we ahsanu tullabin, and there is no min after ahsan, but it will be coming as mudaf ilay. So the noun which comes after it will come mudaf ilay with a kasra tanween. Is that clear, Sister Farwa?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right. Okay. Is that Zahra Rizvi from London? That would be a surprise if I see her in class. It's been a while.
No, sorry to disappoint you.
No, no.
Anwar, I am in your book
Yes.
2 class, but I saw the message and I thought I'd attend and see.
No problem, sister. Yeah, Sister Anwar, I know. You back in America, or you still in the UK?
I'm back in America.
Okay, that's fine, no problem. Yeah, so Ibrahim ahsanu talibin fil madrasati. Right, okay. So this is now the superlative degree. Right. Now let's move on. 32. Then we have over here now on this page, Al-Azharu aqdamu jami'atin fil alam. So Azhar is the oldest university in the universe, or in the world as well. And then we have Fatima to Akbaro again. Fatima is feminine, but Akbaro is used with a feminine. Akbaro talibatin fi fasliha. Fatima is the oldest student in our classroom. So this is af'al tafdil. Clear, Sister Farwa?
Ji Sheikh, yes.
So Zainab Nadri, is that clear for you?
Yes, Sheikh, Jazakallah.
Okay. Now, then we do, in lesson number 1 in book 3, we did 2 things. Inna and la'alla. Inna and la'alla. Inna means surely or indeed. It enters a nominal sentence. And la'alla comes in the meaning I hope or I fear. That was 2. Now, the other 2 we're doing here is lakinna and ka'anna. These are the sisters of inna, which do the same action as lakinna. Sorry, lakinna and ka'anna does the same action. Now, over here now, you will see, Sister Farwa, can you read this, please? Lakinna. Yeah,
Walakinna, but is one of the sisters of inna, and so acts like inna. For example, Bilalun mujtahidun walakinna hamidan kathlanu. Bilal is hardworking, but Hamid is lazy.
Yep.
Akhi mutazawwijun walakinni azabun. My brother is married, but I am a bachelor. Sayyarati qadimatun walakinnaha qawiyatun. My car is old, but it is strong.
Yes.
So walakinna is followed by a adjective which has a dhamma or a dhamma tanween on it.
So
No.
So yes, so what happens?
Yeah.
Normally after, let me show you this page number
32.
right here. Okay, let me just go to the page. I want to show you something else. So, like for example, now inna is a sister of la'alla, and lakin is a sister of inna. So normally, if a sentence starts with huwa, hiya, anta, for example, on lesson number 1, huwa tajirun, ana talibun, hum min al-yabani, antum adhkiya'u. Now, so what happens is that when inna is inserted, or lakinna, la'alla, the ruling, what we did last time when we did this about a year ago, when we did book 1, we did this. Let me show you. This. So when we did book 1, we did this. We said that huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, and so on. These are the personal pronouns which come independently in a sentence, in a beginning of a sentence or wherever, and they represent individuals.
Mhm.
So they always come independent. They don't attach to a verb or a noun.
Mhm.
However, the ones which attach to a verb or a
Mhm.
noun are these ones here. So
Okay.
who was abbreviation when it's attached to a verb, preposition, or noun? It's who, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna, ya, anna.
Yes.
So when it's attached, so here's example. When we say Kitabu Muhammadin, Muhammad's book, here
Mhm.
we have mentioned the name Muhammad.
Mhm.
However, we can also sometimes say his book.
Mhm.
It is also treated as mudaf, mudaf ilayh, because it's two nouns together and you're giving possession of the book to one individual.
Mhm.
So when we see kitabuhu, kitabuhuma, kitabuhum, his book, they're two individual, their book. Here, the pronoun, now kitabu Muhammadin is getting a kasra, yes? Kasra tanween, kitabu Muhammadin.
Yes.
So here now the pronoun, which is taking a dhamma, because pronouns are the term is indeclinable words, nouns. They don't change the harakat depending upon where they come. Muhammad does. When we say
Okay.
kitabu Muhammadin, it takes a kasra tanween.
Okay.
But these pronouns are now coming in the place of kasra because they are mudaf ilayh.
Right.
So they're called pronouns in the genitive case. Now, these same pronouns, who, huma, hum, can also be used in the case of mansub. Can you see it says here mansub wa majrur in the accusative case and the genitive case?
Okay.
What does that mean? It means this. It means that when inna comes in the beginning of a sentence, so if a sentence starts with huwa, and inna, as you know, inna changes the harakat of the mubtada to fatha, correct? Inna allaha wa malaikatahu. Remember that? Inna allaha. Allah is getting a fatha. Or no?
Yes.
Let me show you again here. Reason why, because this lesson is important, so that's the reason why I'm explaining in detail. Look at here. Al-mudarrisu jadidun. It became inna al-mudarrisa. Speak, anyone? Anyone in class?
جديدا
Jadidun.
جديدا
Jadidun. Inna al-mudarrisa jadidun. So al-mudarrisu is taking a fatha and jadidun is taking a dhamma tanween. So now this is a noun. So al-mudarrisu wa dhamma changes to a fatha.
Okay.
However, when it's a noun, a pronoun, which is like where's it gone? I'm going to finish this whole lesson off today, whatever it takes, inshallah. Now, over here now, when we say huwa tajirun, here it is he is a merchant, correct? Everyone? Now, we learned that when inna comes, it changes the mubtada to a fatha, correct? Now, when inna comes, I said that we cannot have inna attached with, we cannot have huwa attached with inna. So the abbreviation or the abbreviated pronoun which attaches to inna, it's who. So this who is now coming in the place of ism of inna, and it's in the case of receiving fatha. So we will say now, instead of huwa tajirun, we will say innahu tajirun.
Tajirun.
Ana talibun will become inni or innani talibun.
Okay.
Hum min al yabani will change to,
Innahum min
is that clear?
al-yabani. Yes.
Sister Zainul Nadri, Sister Gulshan,
yes yes شيخ
Sister Parveen Raza, is that clear for you?
Yes, yes, Maulana.
Right.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, now this is so like the ruling of inna, when it comes to the beginning of a sentence, the pronouns will change and become the abbreviated version hu, ha, and ka. The same applies to la'alla and lakinna.
Lakinna and la'alla.
Yep. So let me go back to the lesson and hopefully you've understood it now. And if Parveen Naqvi, if you find there was a different method which I used before you preferred, tell me that that was a better way of explaining. So you're like you're all my classes pretty much. So you know which way you prefer it better explained by me. Now over here now, lakinna hamidan kaslanu. So you see here, lakinna is coming, hamidan fatah tanween, kaslanu should get a dhamma tanween, but because it ends with alif and noon, it only takes one dhamma because this is a diptone noun. Diptone nouns don't take tanween, even though they should be taking a tanween, but it stops it. And over here now, lakinni, if so here, so Farwa, if you could translate this, sister, this first paragraph, then
Sure,
I'll go to the next one, please.
sure. Walakinna, but is one of the sisters of Inna and so acts like Inna. For example, Bilalun mujtahidun walakinna hamidan kaslanu. Bilal is hardworking, but Hamid is lazy. Akhi mutazawwijun walakinni azabun. My brother is married, but I am a bachelor.
Excellent.
Sayyarati qadimatun walakinnaha qawiyatun. My car is old, but it is strong.
So here, if lakinnaha wasn't there, it would have been hiya kawiyatun. Hiya kawiyatun. My car is old and it is strong. So lakinna has come, hiya has changed to ha. Lakinnaha kawiyatun. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
And then over here, ka'anna means looks like, seems. So here, the original sentence would have been al-imamu maridun. Now it becomes ka'anna al-imama maridun. Continue, please. Number 3.
Ka'anna is one of the sisters of Inna, and so the noun following it is mansub. It means it looks as if. For example, Ka'anna imama marizun. It looks as if the imam is sick. Man hadha al-fatatu? Who is this girl? Ka'annaha ukhtuka. It looks as if she is your sister. كأن هذه السيارة له. It looks as if this car belongs to you. كأنك من الهند. You seem to be from India.
Correct. You seem to be from India. Then we did, next thing we did as well in last week's lesson, what I remember is that we spoke about numbers. We spoke about 11 and 12. What was the ruling about 11 and 12? Anyone? Sister Zainab?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Numbers between 11 and 12 is like the ma'dud will be in
Put it on the screen.
yeah. The ma'dud is the tens actually. Yeah,
exactly. So 11 and 12, they're exempted. What was the exemption? That both of them, the unit and the 10, correspond to the ma'dud.
To the ma'dud, yeah.
Ahada, ashar, taliban. Ahada is masculine, ashara is masculine, taliban is masculine. Talibatan is feminine, so the 1 and the 11, 10 will be feminine. Ihda, ashrata, talibatan. 12, ithna is masculine, ashara is masculine, taliban is masculine. Ithnata, ashrata, talibatan. And then 13 to 19 is now where we did something. We said something that the tens will follow something and the feminine tens will follow something. What was that?
Yes, so the tens will follow the ma'dud,
Correct. The tens will
and
follow the ma'dud.
and the units will be the opposite. If the
Opposite.
ma'dud is masculine, the unit will be feminine, or if the ma'dud is feminine, the tens will be in masculine.
Excellent. Excellent. That was the whole lesson itself about the numbers itself. And then we spoke about numbers from 3 to 10 that they change. Harakat, kanka wa dhamma, 3 to 10, thalathat, and so forth. That's what we did.
Yeah.
And then we did also the ordinal numbers. Awwalu, athani, wa thalith, wa rabi, wal khamis. Allahumma lanum jami'a. So, well, we're learning Arabic, so we need to understand what we're reading.
Perfect.
That's right.
So this is what we learned. So awwal, thani, thalith, and rabi, and khamis. So that is what we learned about ordinal numbers, that it's on the pattern of fa'ilun itself. And then we did ayyuhuma, which one of them? And now I'm going to go through the lesson. Anyone has any questions before?
I have a question about point number 6.
Yep.
When it says alaysa kadhalika, the whole thing means isn't it so, or just alaysa means isn't it so, and kadhalika means such that, or
So it's a phrase together. Alaysa, laysa means not. Alaysa kadhalika means isn't it so together.
okay.
It's together.
So because when it says anta talibun alayth, okay, the kadhalika has moved to the second line.
Yeah.
That's why I was concerned. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Right. We've read this lesson once already, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to ask.
We have done this lesson, but we repeated the points to remember. That's why I think people are thinking that we didn't do it.
Yeah.
We even did the exercises also.
That's what I remember. I remember doing the exercises.
Yeah.
We did one of the exercise. I don't think we've done all the exercises. I think we've done.
Because I said in the class, I remember saying that the next lesson number 4 is going to be easy, and 5, we have done the tough part of the book already.
Yes. And if we write down the notes when we are taking the class, we remember that we did.
Okay. I'll go over the things, the main important points of this lesson. We'll read it once and then move on. That's what we'll do. Right. Can I then request Sister Parveen Razai, are you home now?
Yes.
Parveen Razai? Okay.
Yes.
Parveen Razai, yourself, and I'm going to ask Sister Sister Zainab, can you come on the mic?
Yes, Shaykhana, but before that, I'm checking my exercises.
Yep.
We haven't done the whole of them. I have written something up to question number 3. Question number 4 is empty. 5 is empty. 6 is empty. 7 is empty, and we have done some part of question 8.
Yep.
And then the rest is like we haven't touched any of them.
Yeah, so we've actually reached to exercise, I think it was 3 or 4, page number 25.
Yes, up to 3.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've just checked my recording itself, so I know exactly where we are. Yeah.
Okay.
Bismillah. So it says Zainul Nadri, you asked the questions, and Ali, no, Sister Parveen Razai, you asked the question, Ahmad, and Ali will become Sister Zainul Nadri. Bismillah.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ahmadun. Kam taliban fi faslikum ya Ali? How many students in your class, O Ali?
في فصلنا 14 طالبا. In our class there are 14 students.
الطالب في فصلنا أكثر. الطلاب في فصلنا أكثر.
Right.
And student in our class is
Many.
many.
Yep.
في 19 طالبا يا علي.
Mhm.
ما اسمه الطالب الجديد الذي جاء أمس.
Correct. So الطلاب.
هاي
So the translation will be الطلاب في فصلنا. In our classroom are many students. In it
student
are,
19
yep, 19.
under 19 student يا علي. ما اسمه طالب جديد was a new student name
Yeah, what is the name of the new student? Who? الذي. Who came?
who came جاء أمس.
Who came
I don't
yesterday?
know how.
جاء
جاء
أمس.
أمس.
Yeah, who came yesterday?
Yesterday. Okay.
اسمه أسامة. His name is Osama.
هو طويل جدا أليس كذلك? He is very tall.
Correct.
أليس كذلك? Is that?
Isn't it so? أليس كذلك? Isn't it so? Or isn't it like that?
Isn't it so? أليس
Yeah.
كذلك?
So, okay. بلى هو طويل جدا. Yes, he is very tall. ولكن حامد أطول منه. But Hamid is taller than him. إنه أطول طالب في فصلنا. He is the tallest student in our class. ومن أطول طالب في فصلكم. And who is the tallest student in your, or yeah, and who is the tallest student in your class?
أطول طالب في فصلنا إبراهيم. And taller student in our class is Ibrahim.
أدفترك هذا يا أحمد. Is this your book, or Ahmad? Book or notebook?
Notebook, yeah.
Notebook.
إن خطك جميل جدا. Your handwriting is really beautiful. ما شاء الله.
شكرا يا علي. Thank you, Ali. خطي جميل. My handwriting is beautiful. وخطك أجمل. And your writing is more beautiful.
من هذا الفتى الذي معك يا أحمد? Who is this young boy with you, O Ahmad? كأنه أخوك. It seems as if, it looks as if he is your younger brother.
Real brother. Shaqiq means real brother.
All right, yeah.
نعم هو أخي شقيق. Yes, he is my real brother.
أكبر منك هو أم أصغر? Are you أكبر منك? Are you
yeah, are
older
you?
than him?
Yep.
Are you older than him or younger?
هو أصغر مني. He is younger than me.
في أي محجأ أنت يا أخي? In which hostel are you, oh brother?
Brother. أنا في المعجع الخامس وهو بعيد جدا عن الجامعة. I am in the 5th hostel and he is very far from university.
أنا في المهجأ الثامن وهو أبعد من مهجعكم. I'm in the 8th hostel and that is further away from yours.
Correct.
أيهما أحسن? Which one is better?
المهجأ الخامس أحسن. The 5th hostel is beautiful. Better. فإنه غرفة أوسع. فإنه
So غرفة is singular. غرف is plural. Who is referring back to the 5th hostel. غرفة من غرف المهجأ الخامس. So that's a plural. So it's rooms.
Species.
how do I translate فإن?
So surely it's rooms, or
Surely.
indeed it's rooms.
Okay, indeed, right. Indeed. Indeed, its windows are wider.
Yep.
ونوافذه its غرفة rooms actually. فإنه
Yep.
غرفة. The rooms are wider. ونوافذه أكبر, and the windows are bigger. ومراحيضه أنفس, the toilets are cleaner. والسرور التي فيه أجمل, and the beds in there are more beautiful.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. So this exercise we did already. I'm not going to repeat this because it'll take a lot of time. 1, 2. We read through this as well. But this is a short exercise. I'll read this through and then we'll do the remaining exercises which are important from this lesson. So can I request mashallah, Sister Nazat, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Are you still at work, Sister Nazat, or are you back home?
No, I'm back home, but can I be excused?
Yeah,
I've
that's
missed
fine.
out so much.
No, that's fine. That's understandable.
I'm
That's
trying to
fine.
excuse. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's then bring Sister Zahra. Do you want to come on the mic? Zahra, would you like to come on the mic? Okay. Sister Gulshan, come on the mic, please. Sister Gulshan.
Yes, yes.
Hashimun Tawilun.
Hashimun Tawilun. Hashim is tall.
Huh?
Wa Hamidun Atwalu Minhu.
Correct.
And Hamid is more tall.
Taller
Atwalu.
than him. Yeah, taller than him.
Okay, more taller than him. Aminatu Sagiratun. Amina is small.
Yep.
Wa Zainabu Asgaru Minha. And
Yep.
Zainab is younger from them.
Younger than her.
Younger than her.
Mhm.
Hazal Kitabu Ashalu Min Zalika. This book is easier than that.
Excellent.
Okay. Hazi Sayyaratu Ajmalu Min Tilka. This car is beautiful from that car. From
And-
that.
Yep.
Okay. Hamzato Akbaru Minni Sina. Hamza is taller than from.
No, here Hamza Akbar minna sinna. Hamza is older than me in age. Older than me.
Older. I added taller. Older. Okay.
Sorry,
Older.
Sheikh. It on at that time. I'm sorry, my phone wasn't turning on.
That's fine. Give me 2 seconds. Let me get this and then I'll bring in the mic. Not a problem.
Haulai Tulabu Asano Min Ulaika. This Tulab means this doctor?
Student. No, students.
Students. These students are good than those.
Yep. Then
Like
those ahsanti.
those. Okay.
MashaAllah. Baiti.
Baiti Abadu an Madrasati
Anil Madrasa.
Anil Madrasati min Baitika. My house is far away from Madrasa. Madrasati
than your house. So my house is further.
house.
Yeah, my house is further away from the school than your house.
Than your house. Baituka, than our house. Yes. Huwa asgaru minna sinna. He is younger than me in age. Khati asanu min khataka. Khattika. My handwriting, isn't it handwriting?
Yep.
My handwriting is better than his. Haza sari'u anzafa min zalika. Shari means the drink?
No, shari means street.
Street, okay. Yeah. This street is anzafo. Anzafo means clean?
Yeah, cleaner. Yeah.
Cleaner than that. Al-labanu asanu min ash-shai. Yogurt is good.
No, laban. Laban here, yeah, is yogurt, but they are using laban in this book as a milk. Milk is better than tea.
Okay, your milk is better than tea, Shai. Hazi sa'atu arhasu min tilka. This watch is cheaper than that.
This watch is cheaper than that. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Jazakallah, thank you. Can I request Sister Parveen Naqvi, can you come on the mic?
Yes, Mulana.
I want you to do exercise 4. Now here, I want you to do this exercise. Yeah.
Okay.
Now in this exercise,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
so here you make sentences with the help of the following words using ismu tafdhil.
Okay.
So you're going to say Hashim is taller than Usman.
Then
How would you say that?
Usman. I don't want to say Usman, but I will. Okay. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hashimun atwalu min Usmana.
Yep.
Al-Qahiru kabirun.
No, Al-Qahir. No,
Al-Qahiru yeah, Al-Qahiru akbaru min al-Riyadi.
Al-Qahiratu akbaru min al-Riyadi. Correct?
Riyadi. Hazal fanduku nazifun zaka, and it will be Hazal fanduku anfazu min zaka.
No, an-dhafu.
Anzafu min zaka. Al-Lugatul Arabiyatu sahlun. Okay, it will be Al-Lugatu Arabiyatu ashalu min Lugatil Faransiyata.
Correct.
It will be Ana kabirun huwa, Ana akbaru min hu.
Excellent. Ana akbaru minhu. Correct.
Yeah, and then huwa sarirun anta, it will be huwa asfaru minka. Anta minka.
Yep.
Al-rijalu kasirun an-nisa'u, al-rijalu aksaru min nisa'i. And then will be anta hasanun ana, anta ahsanu minni. Anta ahsanu minni. It will be innaka, right?
So anta ahsanu. No, here.
No, it will be anta. Sorry, it will be anta. Anta ahsanu minni.
Correct.
Al-mawzu rakhisun al-inabu. Al-mawzu arkhasu min al-inabi.
Correct.
Ash-shamsu baidun al-kamaru. Ash-shamsu ab'adu min al-kamari.
Excellent. Excellent. Right. Now the next exercise is what? This exercise is important. Sister Farwa, can you do this exercise, please?
Sure, I can try. Read the examples, then change the sentences using Ismu Tafsir as an example. Muhammadun talibun Hasanun.
Translation?
Muhammad is the student of Hassan?
No. Hassan means good.
Oh, it's a
So
good
this-
student. Okay, sorry. Muhammad is a good student.
Yep.
Muhammadun ahsanu talibin fil fasli. Muhammad is the best student in his class.
Correct.
Hada baytun jamilun. This house is beautiful. Hada ajmalu baytin fi sha'ri. This is the most beautiful house on the street.
Yep.
Aminatu talibatun saghiratun. Amna is a short or a small.
Yep.
The youngest student is a
Yep.
young student.
Uh-huh.
Aminatu asgharu talibatin fil madrasati. Amna is the youngest student in the school.
Excellent.
Okay. هذه غرفة صغيرة. This room is small. هذه غرفة أصغر في بيتنا. This is the smallest room in our house.
No, you will say ha. So you will change this completely. You will say here, هذه أصغر
أصغر غرفة.
أصغر. You will say أصغر غرفة.
غرفة. Yes.
So it changes the other way around. See here, بيت
Okay, got it.
So it becomes أجمل بيت other way. مضاف إليه.
Okay.
أصغر
هذه
غرفة.
أصغر غرفة في بيتنا. Is that correct?
So the other thing you need to do, you will say also because هذه غرفة. So أصغر is masculine, so say هذا أصغر غرفة في بيتنا as well.
هذا.
Because أصغر is masculine, so
Okay.
you have to say هذا أصغر غرفة في بيتنا.
Because أصغر is masculine.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So
Okay.
always the mudaf governs the actual the mubtada, whether it comes masculine or feminine.
Okay. So هذا أصغر
غرفة.
غرفة في بيتنا.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. بلال لاعب حسن. Bilal plays really well.
Yep.
Okay. بلال أحسن لاعب في فريقنا.
Excellent.
Bilal is the best player amongst his mates or amongst his team.
In his group. Yep. Excellent. In his team. In our team.
In our team, sorry, thank you. Yasirun rajulun faqirun. Yasir is a poor man. Yasirun afqaru
Yep.
rajulin
رجل.
rajulin. Sorry, rajulin fi qaryatina. Yasir is the poorest man in our town. هذه ساعة رخيصة. What does this word mean?
رخيصة means cheap.
Cheap. Okay. This is a cheap watch. Will it become هذا?
Yep.
No, because ساعة. No.
No. أرخص is be masculine, so be هذا.
Okay. هذا أرخص ساعة في سوق. في السوق.
في السوق.
في السوق. This is the cheapest watch in the market. هذا درس سهل. This lesson is easy. هذا أسهل درس في الكتاب. This is the easiest lesson in the book.
Excellent.
الدكتور زكريا طبيب شهير. Dr. Zakaria is a famous he's a famous doctor. Okay. الدكتور زكريا أشهر طبيب في بلدنا. Dr. Zakaria is the most famous doctor in our city.
Our country.
In our country. الأزهر جامعة قديمة. Al-Azhar is an old or
yes, old university.
Is an old university. Al-Azhar أقدم جامعة في العالم.
Excellent.
Al-Azhar is the oldest university in the world.
Excellent. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, you did very well. I will ask. Let's bring. Sister Zahra, Bismillah. Would you like to go ahead? Zahra, have a try.
Yes. الأستاذ نعمان مدرس حسن. الأستاذ نعمان أحسن.
Correct.
مدرس في المدرسة.
Correct. Translation.
Noman's teacher is the best teacher in the Ustad. The Noman's teacher is the best teacher in the school.
No, not teacher, not man. So it's not Noman. It's not teacher, not man is the best teacher.
Oh, teacher. Noman. Yes, sorry. The teacher Noman is the best teacher in the madrasa.
Yep.
In the هذا درس صعب. This lesson is
difficult.
هذا درس.
هذا أصعب.
هذا أصعب درس في الكتاب. هذا فصل واسع. This class is wide or big.
Spacious.
هذا واسع
أوسع.
أوسع فصل في
كلية.
الكلية
كلية.
is in the spacious class in the college.
Right.
Most
Right. Thank you for that. Now, in the next exercise here now, this is what we need to do. Inshallah, inshallah. I don't think I'll be able to do the next lesson. I think there's enough in this lesson, which it's going to take enough time to finish off. So I probably can't do that. I'll finish off this lesson. Okay, now what we need to do here now, I'm going to ask this to be done by Sister Parveen Razai. Are you available?
I am, but my kids is not allowed. They are
Okay, no
coming
problem.
just this thing.
Okay, no problem. Let's bring who should we? Sister Buttu Munira.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. You still awake?
Yes, it's now midnight. Abhi
I know.
12 bajega. 12.
Okay, 12 o'clock. So let's do this. Now, lakinna, as a sister of inna, combine each pair of the following sentences using lakinna, as shown in the example, bearing in mind that lakinna is a sister of inna. So here, at-tullabu kathirun, al-faslu saghirun. So you're comparing two things now. You see, at-tullabu kathirun, lakinna al-fasla saghirun. So you see that al-faslu saghirun, because of lakinna, the mubtada changes to mansub, and it is the ism of lakinna, and saghirun is the khabar. Bismillah.
Number 1.
Yep.
Hamidun mujtahidun swadiquhu kaslanu. Hamid is hardworking.
Correct.
His friend is lazy.
Correct.
Hamidun mujtahidun lakinna swadiqahu kaslan. Hamid is hardworking, but his friend is lazy.
So you see here, sadiquhu, that's mudaf ilay mubtada, kaslanu is khabar. Now, whenever mudaf ilay comes as mubtada, the first part, sadiquhu, changes to sadiqahu because of lakinna.
Sadiqahu. Okay.
Continue.
Muhammadun tawilun. Muhammad is tall. Hamidun is short.
Sorry, what was that?
So,
I didn't hear you.
Muhammadun.
Yep, continue.
Muhammadun tawilun lakinna hamidan.
Correct.
Qasiran.
Correct. Qasirun.
Qasirun. So only I change hamidan.
Yes, hamidan mansub. Correct.
Okay. Amina mujtahidatun. Amina is hardworking. Ukhtuha kasla.
Correct.
Her sister is lazy.
Huh?
So Aminatu mujtahidatun lakinna ukhtaha kasla.
MashaAllah.
Hadat darsu tawilun. This lesson is long. Huwa sahlun. It is easy. Hadat darsu tawilun lakinna huwa sahlan.
No, not lakinna huwa, that's wrong. Huwa changes.
Lakinnahu.
Correct.
Sahlun.
Correct. Lakinnahu sahlun. Correct.
Sayyarati qadimatun. My car is old. Here, qawiyatun. It is like strong.
Yep.
Sayyarati qadimatun lakinnaha qawiyatun.
Correct.
Correct?
Correct.
Akhi mutazawwijun. My brother is married. Ana azabun. I am not married. Bachelor. Akhi mutazawwijun lakinnani azabun.
Correct.
Ibrahimu faqirun. Ibrahim is
Poor.
garib.
Poor. Yeah.
Poor. Ammuhu ghaniyun jiddan. His uncle is very rich.
Yep.
Ibrahimu faqirun lakinna ammahu ghaniyun jiddan.
MashaAllah.
Baituka jamilun jiddan. Your house is very beautiful. Huwa saghirun. It is small.
Excellent.
Baituka jamilun jiddan lakinnahu saghirun.
Excellent.
Done. Finish.
How
Thank
do we
you.
write lakinnahu?
Lakinna and the noon.
Because of huwa.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me write it down.
Thank you.
Let me write it down. Just write in the chat box for yourself.
Thank you.
Lakinnahu. Did you find it, Sister Farwa?
I
It's in the
don't
chat
think I've
box.
received it yet. Oh, in the chat.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Yes, I did get a message. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that's how you spell it. Okay. Now, okay, Sister Zahar, Zainab Nadri, can you do this next exercise for me, please?
Yes, I'm following. Okay. Rewrite the following sentences.
So rewrite the following sentence using ka'anna.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. من هذا الفتى كأنه أخوك. Who is this young boy? It seems like he is
your brother.
He's your brother. So these are the examples.
Yep.
All right. Okay.
Man hadhil tiflatu, who is this?
من هذه الطفلة? Who is this young child? كأنه أختك. It seems like she's your sister.
Correct.
هو زميلك. هو زميلك كأنه how do you say this? He is your colleague كأنه
هو زميلك كأنه أخوك.
كأنه أخوك. Okay. As if he's your brother. هي طبيبة كأنه
كأنها
هي طبيبة كأنها أختك. She is the doctor. It looks like
she is your sister.
She is your sister. Yeah.
Yeah.
هم طلاب كأنه
كأنهم إخوانك.
إخوانك. Okay.
Yeah, like, it seems like they are your brothers.
إخوانك. They are students, and it seems like they are your brothers.
Yep.
أنت مريض كأنك. كأنه أنت مريض كأنه oh my God, I can't think.
So أنت مريض.
كأنه.
So you say أنت مريض, like you are sick.
Mm-hmm.
Seems like you are sick. Anta maridun. So you can say كأنك مريض. So the person say you are sick, and you say to him, you seem sick as well.
All right. Okay.
That's how it is.
كأنك مريض. You are sick, and it seems like
You are
so
sick as well. Yeah.
You are sick as well. Okay. هو مدرس جديد. He is the new teacher. كأنه
كأنه مدرس. He's an old teacher. Seems like he is a new teacher, but it seems like he's an old teacher. So you can say
كأنه مدرس قديم.
كأنه مدرس قديم. Correct.
Okay. أنت أخت مريم. You are Maryam's sister.
Yep.
كأنه
So you see
كأنك
yeah, كأنك.
كأنك
Your sister. You seem you are Maryam's sister, but you look like Fatima's sister. So you can say
كأنك
أنت yeah, كأنك أخت فاطمة.
أخت فاطمة.
Yeah.
فاطمة.
So you're comparing between two people. You are for Maryam's Maryam's sister. However, you look like Fatima's sister.
Fatima's sister. Okay. Right.
Now these numbers.
You need some imagination for this exercise.
Yeah, it's right, because it's comparing between two and trying to see what they're trying to say. That's correct. Now these are the numbers itself from 11 to 20. If you can quickly read through them, and that would be great.
Okay. أحد عشرا طالبا 11 students. ستة no sorry. اثنا عشر طالبا 12 students. ثلاثة عشرا طالبا 13 students. أربعة عشرا طالبا
No, not عشرا. Not without عشرا. عشرة.
عشرة. أربعة عشر طالبا 14 students. خمسة عشر طالبا 15 students. ستة عشر طالبا 16 students. سبعة عشر طالبا 17 students. ثمانية عشر طالبا 18 students. تسعة عشر طالبا 19 students. 20 طالبا 20 students.
Right. Sister, let's bring everyone on the mic now. Let's start from the bottom. Sister Zahra, I want you to do the first one. Well, let's see how you find it. Zahra Anwar, Bismillah.
Yes.
Over here.
Firstly,
Yeah, read the following sentences, then write replacing them with the figures. Fil Fasli, Bismillah.
Fil Fasli 19th Fil Fasli تسعة عشر طالبا.
Not Asharan, Ashara.
تسعة عشر طالبا.
Correct. Next one, Sister Wajda. Let me bring one each, everyone. Let's do everyone in. Sister Wajda, are you there?
Yes. In the خمسة عشر كتابا باللغة العربية و أثنى عشر كتابا باللغة الفرنسية.
Correct. Sister Sabira Kanji. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, Sister Sabira. If you're available. Alaikum assalam. Number 3.
رأي يوسف عليه السلام في المنام 11 كوكبا. I saw.
No, Yusuf saw.
Oh, Yusuf, Nabi Yusuf alayhi salam saw in his dream 11 stars.
Excellent. Sister Parveen Razai, are you available for this?
Yes.
Number 4. I have 20 riyals.
عندي 20 ريالا.
Sister Parveen Naqvi, Ahsanti. Number 5.
Number 5. كم فندقا في هذا الشارع? How many hotels in this street? فيه 13 فندقا.
Correct.
It has 13. 13 fundukan. In it, there are 13 hotels.
Excellent. Sister Nazhat, are you available?
Yes, I'll try. في هذه المدينة أربعة عشر
No, but remember this,
مسجد.
Madina is feminine. Sorry, that's correct. Arba'ata is correct.
Yeah.
It's correct. Because masjid is masculine, yes. Arba'ata,
عشر مسجدا.
excellent. Sister Mukarrama, number 7.
بسم الله الرحمن
عليك السلام ورحمة الله.
ثمن هذا الكتاب 18 ريالا.
Excellent. Sister Gulshan,
Yes.
في هذا
في هذا الكتاب 20 درسا.
20 درسا.
درسا.
Correct. Excellent. And the last one, Sister Munira.
في السنة 12 شهرا.
Yes. فالسنة 12 شهرا. أحسنتي. And finally,
Can I ask a question?
yes, go ahead, Mukarrama.
Number 6 في هذه المدينة 14 مسجدا or مساجدا.
So numbers from 11 to 20, they come singular mansub.
It's not masajidan, it's just
No.
masjidan.
Yeah, that's right. So can you see all of these numbers? Darsan, rialan, fundukan, all of them come singular mansub.
Okay.
Okay, right. Can I request this is Zahra Anwar, the numbers, please? These ones here, and then we do the final exercise. First lesson, second lesson, and third lesson. Bismillah.
الدرس الأول الدرس الثاني.
Yep.
Did you read all of them?
Yes, please.
الدرس الثالث الدرس الرابع الدرس الخامس الدرس السادس الدرس السابع الدرس الثامن الدرس التاسع الدرس العاشر.
Excellent. Ahsanti. Right, everyone come back on the mic again. Sister Zainul Adri, how would you say the 8th day?
8.
So let me make it smaller.
اليوم الثامن.
Al-Yawm al-Thaminu, correct. Next person was Sister Wajda.
Yes.
The 4th month.
4th month. الشهر
No, year. My mistake. Year, not month. In the 4th year.
year. Okay. في السنة الرابعة.
Sanat Rabiati. Sister Butul Bano Dala. I'm not too sure how far you reached. So once you try this, Sister Butul Bano. Okay. Sister Farwa, can you come on the mic?
Sir. Which one? A Talibu?
Yes, 3 and 4. 3
Okay.
and 6.
Sure. A Talibu Thani?
No, 3.
Sorry.
Third
A
student.
Talibu Thalithu
Correct.
and a Talibatu Sadisatu.
Yes.
Correct. Sister Wajda. Sorry, not Sister Wajda. Sister Gulshan. Sister Gulshan.
Okay. Number 10. الدرس 10.
Darsul Ashiru. Sister.
10.
Correct. Sister
Al-Bayt.
Parveen Naqvi, number 7.
Okay.
Yes, Malana.
7th house.
7.
Yes.
Al-Baytu Sabiu.
Al-Bayt Sabi. Oh, Sister Nazhat. 9th paper.
الصفحة 9.
You need التاسعة.
التاسع عشر. No.
No, that's 9. 9. الصفحة التاسعة. Because it's feminine, so the number will be feminine as well. تاسعة.
الصفحة التاسعة.
Asiato. And how do you say the fifth room?
أربعة.
This one here.
Sorry.
This one here, number 5.
5 is 5 خمسة.
Yeah, خامسة.
خامسة. الغرفة خامسة.
So because غرفة is feminine,
الغرفة yeah خامسة.
الخامسة, correct.
غرفة
1 and 2.
خامسة. الجزء واحدة.
No, واحد means one. The first will be الأول. الجزء
أول
الأول. And the second juz? This one here.
الجزء ثلاثة.
No, ثلاثة. So look at top. So, أول, ثاني, ثالث, رابع, خامس, سادس, سابع, ثامن, تاسع. These are the numbers: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So, الجزء, a second juz will be
السابع. السادس.
Sabi.
Sabi. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Thani.
Yep. So الجزء الثاني, correct. Right.
الجزء الثاني. Not with it.
No, it's fine. I think it will be fine. And what's that? Okay, that's everything. I'm just focusing on the main important points which will help you in book 4 and which you'll be using itself. Exercise 12, you won't be using that a lot, so there's no need. Actually, there's only 2 things to read on that. I'll read that now. That's fine. Sister Parveen Razai, can you read this? Or Parveen Naqavi, I think, because Parveen Razai has probably got kids with her. The last point, number 12. Parveen Naqavi.
Yes, Malana.
Well, I'll read the last point. The teacher
Okay.
asks every student.
Page number 29. I closed the book. Okay. The teacher asks every student a question containing Alaysa, Kazalika, Bala. And the students, Kazalika, and the student replies saying Bala. Anta min al Hindi, Alaysa Kazalika. You are from India. It looks like it. Isn't it?
Isn't it so?
That's so. Anta marizun alaysa kazalika. You are sick, isn't it so?
Yep, that's it. Okay, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajahum. Right, Jazakallah khair. Who's this? Can you please add who's this? Okay. Right. Any questions from anyone? Any questions? No?
No, thank you so much.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you. So,
Just please
are we
listen.
going to go on lesson 4 or?
No, it's 9 o'clock and you've got kids in the house, so it's unfair of you. So inshallah we'll do next week. We will start lesson number 4, and then inshallah try to finish this as soon as we can. Everything else from lesson 4 onwards, it's easy. The first 4 lessons are the most challenging lessons. Apart from that, the rest is much more easier, inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah, I'll try and thank you.
Sheikh, can I ask a question?
Yes, Sister Mukarrama.
Azabun is not married, bachelor. And what is the plural of Azabun?
So the plural of azabun was 2 words. There's 2 different plurals for azabun. Let me just give